What is research design? Research design is structured plan that outlines how to conduct research. It involves defining the research problem, selecting methodologies, and determining how data will be collected and analyzed. A solid design is essential for valid and reliable there are several types of research designs, including descriptive, correlational, and experimental. Each type serves different purposes and is chosen based on the research objectives and questions. Descriptive research design. Descriptive research aims to provide an accurate portrayal of characteristics of a population or phenomena. It doesn't involve manipulation of variables, making it ideal for gathering qualitative and quantitative data. Correlational research design. Correlational research examines the relationship between two or more variables. It defines patterns and trends, but doesn't establish cautions. Understanding correlations can guide further research and Professor Sijo, I am facing some issues. I can't read properly.
We can see, and we can hear you. Here is visible.
Yeah, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Thank you so much, Professor Sijo. Thank you. Thank you so much. I will restart with correlational research design. Correlational research examines the relationship between two or more variables. It defines patterns and trends, but doesn't establish cautions. Understanding correlations can guide for the research and hypothesis generation. Now, I will explain about experimental research design. Experimental research involves manipulating one or more variables to observe the effect on another variable. This design allows researchers to establish cause and effect relationship and is often conducted in controlled quasi-experimental research design. Quasi-experimental research resembles experimental designs, but lacks random assignment. It is useful in real-world setting where control is limited, allowing researchers to assess the impact of intervention while acknowledging potential biases. Choosing the research design. It's a very necessary task for a researcher how to choosing the right design. Selecting the appropriate research design is critical for achieving validity and reliability. Factors such as the research questions, available resources, and ethical consideration should guide your decision-making process. Common pitfalls in research design. Researchers often encounter pitfalls such as bias, poor sampling methods, and lack of clarity in objectives. Being aware of these issues can help you avoid mistakes and enhance the integrity of your research. Clearly defining your research objectives is crucial. They guide the entire research process and help in selecting the most appropriate methodology to achieve your goals. Selecting a methodology. Choosing the right methodology is essential for effective data collection and analysis. Consider factors such as the nature of the research and the resources available to you when making this decision. Sampling techniques. Effective sampling techniques ensure that your study is representative of the population. Techniques such as random sampling, non-random sampling, and stratified sampling can enhance the validity of your findings. Data collection method. Choosing appropriate data collection methods is vital for gathering relevant information. Options include surveys, interviews, and observations, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Once data is collected, selecting suitable analysis techniques is crucial. Techniques may include statistical analysis, thematic analysis, or content analysis, depending on your research design. Ethical consideration. Ethical considerations are paramount in research design. Ensure that your research adheres to ethical standards such as informed consent, confidentially, and minimizing harm to participants. Pilot testing your design. Conducting a pilot test can help identify potential issues in your research design. It allows for adjustments before the full-scale study, enhancing the overall reliability of your findings. Conclusion and future direction. In conclusion, an effective research design is foundational for achieving meaningful results by implementing strategic approaches. Researchers can enhance the quality of their studies and contribute to knowledge advancement. Thank you so much. Thank you, Irfan sir, for sharing this wonderful opportunity with me. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you, Doctor, for your kind presentation. From audience, if you have any questions, you can do it.